Hello students, let's start with lesson number 4, that is factors and multiples. Today we are going to learn how to solve word problems based on HCF and LCM and what is the relationship between HCF and LCM. Let's start with the word problems. By this method, you will be knowing in which problem you need to calculate HCF and in which problem you need to calculate LCM. The keywords for HCF are greatest, largest, maximum, dividing something, cutting something into pieces. Keywords for LCM: smallest, minimum, first, least, next, repeated over and over, multiple items, when both will meet again, and when both will be equal. Let us see the first example. Samantha has two pieces of cloth. One piece is 36 inches wide, whereas the other piece is 24 inches wide. She wants to cut both pieces into strips of equal width that are as wide as possible. How wide should she cut the strips? Now she is cutting something, which means it is dividing. When we divide something, what do? Yes, we calculate HCF. So let us see how we will calculate HCF. HCF, over here you can also say highest common factor. We are calculating HCF because we are dividing something. First of all, we calculate factors for number 24. 24 divided by 2 gives 12. 12 divided by 2 gives you 6. 6 divided by 2 gives you 3. And 3 divided by 3 gives you 1. Let us calculate factors for number 36. 36 divided by 2 gives you 18. 18 divided by 2 gives you 9. 9 divided by 3 gives you 3. And 3 again divided by 3 gives you 1. We write down all the numbers which are on the left hand side of 24 and 36. In the next step, what do? We form pairs. We form pair for 2, we form pair for another group of 2, and we form pair for number 3 also. The next step is we write down those number only ones which are paired. So paired is the first group, second group and third. So it is 2 into 2 into 3, which is equal to 12. Therefore, Samantha should cut each piece to be 12 inches wide. Let us see another problem. Ben exercises every 12 days and Isbal every 16 days. Ben and Isbal both exercised today. How many days will it be until they exercise together again? It means we are repeating something, and when do we repeat? And when we repeat, we calculate what? Yes, we calculate LCM. So let's start with calculating LCM. First of all, we calculate factors for number 12 and number 16. 12 divided by 2 gives you 6. 6 divided by 2 gives you 3. And 3 divided by 3 gives you 1. 16 divided by 2 gives you 8. 8 divided by 2 gives you 4. 4 divided by 2 gives you 2. And 2 divided by 2 gives you 1. For 12 and 16, we write down all the numbers which are on your left hand side. Now here we are calculating LCM. When we calculate LCM, we write down the numbers which are common, and we also write down the numbers which are not common. Therefore, LCM is equal to product of numbers which are paired and the numbers which are not paired. LCM over here is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 2. The numbers which are paired will be written only once. The number you can see here in white color and yellow color, they will be written only once because they got paired, and so we are writing it once. Therefore, my LCM over here is equal to 48. So my final answer is Ben and Isbal would exercise on the same day every 48 days. Let us see what is the relationship between HCF and LCM. HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. Let us consider two numbers over here, that is A and B. Their HCF into LCM will be equal to product of the two numbers. Let us understand this by two examples. If HCF of two numbers is 12 and LCM is 48, HCF is 12 and you are given LCM also. You are given if one of the number is 36, find the other. You are given three things over here and you have to find out the fourth one. What is our formula? Yes, our formula is HCF into LCM is equal to A into B, where A and B are two numbers. Here the first number is given, which is 36. Let us see how we will calculate the another number. HCF into LCM is equal to A into B. What was HCF? 12. What was LCM? 48. Is equal to A means the number. The number is 36 and B here we need to calculate. 12 into 48 gives me 576, which is equal to 36 into B. Now over here I want to calculate B. And for calculating B, I am switching the sign that we have already studied before in lesson multiplication and division, that we can switch the sign between multiplication and division. Therefore, we divide 576 by 36. Therefore, the another number, that is B, is equal to 16. If LCM for two numbers is 24 and the two numbers are 12 and 8. Now here you are given the numbers and you have to calculate HCF using the formula. What was the formula? Yes, the formula is HCF into LCM is equal to A into B, where A into B are the two numbers. HCF into LCM is equal to A into B. HCF we need to calculate, therefore we are writing it same, into LCM is 24. What is A and B? These are the two numbers, which is 12 into 8. HCF into 24 is equal to 96. 12 8s are 96. Now here for calculating HCF, we are again switching the sign, that is HCF is equal to 96 divided by 24. Therefore my HCF is equal to 4. Okay, let's revise what we have learned today. What were the keywords for HCF? They were greatest, largest, maximum, dividing something or cutting something into pieces. Keywords for LCM: smallest, minimum, first, least, next, repeated over and over multiple times, when both will meet again, and when both will be equal. What was the formula? What's the relationship between HCF and LCM? HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers, that is A and B. This is all for today. Thank you.